Welcome to the new Elite Smart Contract Security Audit conducted by AuditOne. The new Elites is on the cusp of unveiling its immersive gaming experience, anticipating a surge of interest and engagement within the Web3 NFT ecosystem. Thrones serve as the epicenter of TNE's gameplay, offering players a multifaceted experience where they can establish unique relationships and assert their dominance within the virtual realm. Whether ascending to the coveted position of ruler, assuming the role of a patron, or engaging in calculated maneuvers to challenge rival thrones, players are immersed in a dynamic ecosystem teeming with possibilities. The imminent launch of TNE's platform is poised to introduce users to a world where power, strategy, and intrigue converge, promising an exhilarating journey through the complexities of digital asset management and competitive gameplay. The new Elite Smart Contract was audited by Alexoid Eth, Pontifex 73 and Juaibmod between May 1, 2024 and July 2, 2024, and concluded with the following results. Security score, 100%, code quality, 95%, documentation quality, 95%. Let's briefly review the findings. Incorrect rewards distribution among wars due to dividing by all wars. Consider splitting current balance only between the current and future wars. Loss of precision in treasury. Calculate reward amount. Consider scaling up the total pot variable before division, then scaling down. Incorrect rewards distribution among wars due to using address this balance. Consider using a separate variable to track the balance for future distribution. Vulnerability in remove patron allowing unauthorized token unlocking. Implement the fix with additional checks as illustrated below. User can revert purchasing not valuable NFTs. There is no easy decision with using randomness on-chain, besides using Oracle with callback like Chainlink VRF. An alternative approach is using randomness from the future blocks. Users can claim emissary reward amount rewards even if their elite IDs were not in the game. Consider checking if the elite ID had been bought before the specified war, or was at least a patron during the specified war if it is acceptable. The last recommendation demands additional fixes in the calculate reward amount function to correctly calculate the number of emissaries. Elite's EID resets even if already in the most recent war number. Consider checking that elite-data.war number is less than game-controller.war counter before resetting. Missing access control and token locking, unlock tokens. Apply the Only Thrones contract modifier to the unlock tokens function. Incorrect token transfer amount and token locking, emergency unlock. Implement the solution you currently see on your screen. Lack of precision. Consider multiplying by token underscore decimals constant before dividing. Lack of throne is occupied check in the occupy throne function. Consider multiplying by token underscore decimals constant before dividing. Inability to claim ruler rewards for past wars due to is ruler reset. Consider maintaining a historical record of rulers and their entitlements to rewards that can be referenced independently of the current state of the NFT. This can be achieved by introducing a mapping or another suitable data structure to track the wars and the corresponding rulers who are eligible for rewards. Incorrect timestamp calculation in leave throne. Function when emergency leave is set to true. To address this issue, convert generate cooldown minutes to seconds before subtracting it from the current timestamp. This ensures that the generate timestamp reflects the intended cooldown period in seconds. The corrected calculation should resemble the following example. Excess throne returned in get all thrones and get throne due to throne counter misalignment. Adjust the logic in both get all thrones and get throne to accurately reflect the range of valid throne IDs. When users buy many tokens, the same randomness is used for all of them. Consider generating a random number once per buy tokens invoke and then changing the random number for each underscore random token id from chunk invoke by hashing the previous one. Missing setter functions for elite and token addresses in token locking contract. Introduce setter functions within the token locking contract for updating the addresses of the underscore elite and underscore token variables. Determine war winner bias towards earlier enumerated dynasties. Consider introducing additional logic to handle ties. This could involve random selection among the top scoring dynasties or implementing a secondary criterion for breaking ties. For example, previous war performance, a specific dynasty attribute, or a deterministic but equitable selection method. Elite's id with zero contribution can stay a ruler or a patron. Consider checking that specific new amount is non-zero. Update contribution breaks after claim reward due to reset of relationship to throne. A check should be added to prevent the execution of claim reward function during active wars. Invalid calculation of total airdrop rate in _update chunk score. Ensure that the highest airdrop rate is updated before its value is used in the calculation of total airdrop rate. Potential state inconsistency due to separately callable functions in thrown storage.sol. Implement a unified function or mechanism that automatically updates the patron lists and their indices, ensuring state consistency is maintained regardless of administrative actions. Mismatched data types for maximum war number and war counter. To resolve this inconsistency, align their data types. Considering the likely range of wars that a season can accommodate, it would be practical to adjust maximum war number to also use uint8. Use safe transfer from consistently instead of transfer from. Consider using safe transfer from consistently. The new Elites team took all the necessary steps to address our corrections and fixed all identified issues. AuditOne is proud to have made the new Elites smart contract more secure. Discover the full details in our comprehensive report. For more information, visit our website or follow us on social media. AuditOne, your trusted partner in blockchain security.